Just finished making my smoothie now. I just finished making my smoothie. It's almost the time for exercise. So it's almost the time for exercise. I just finished now to make my smoothie. I put them there. I put it there. I'm going to put it on my fridge. I'm going to put it on my fridge. It's very nice. Look at it. I'm going to put it on my fridge. There's a space here. Yeah. Not fitting. Not fitting. I'm going to put it here. Let me see. Okay, I don't know. I'm going to put it on my fridge now. Yeah. I'll give you chocolate, Mama. I'm going to put it here on my fridge. Let's open it close. Yeah. I'm going to put it here. So when I finish exercising, I'll just take my smoothie and then I'll drink it. It's just the. I'll give you the chocolate, Lolo. Okay, let me give you the chocolate.